What would you do if you see this bird stuck in a tree? But before that, if you think this birdie is cute, like and subscribe. This colorful bird is known as the Kingfisher, and you might be wondering how on earth this bird ends up getting stuck in tree. Well, kingfishers sometimes get stuck in trees despite being skilled hunters due to their fast dives and long pointed beaks. Their psychology is geared towards quick dives rather than maneuvering in trees. When it flies fast, it sometimes collides with trees and gets stuck. So if you come across one that's stuck, help it out. Also, you'll have amazing luck tomorrow if you count the bird emojis correctly in this video. So, how many?